No time for relaxing today. We got something special. Friggin'. It's been a while since I've found some soap that actually cleaned worth a shit. You know, I've been detailing for, I don't know, 15 plus years. And I finally found some stuff that actually took me by surprise. We're going to go out and clean the truck. It's got mag chloride, all that crap on it. I'm not even going to scrub it. I'm going to show you how amazing this stuff is. And if it helps anybody else, then it's going to be fantastic for just something to add to your collection of soaps. You know, I've tried dish soap. I've tried everything I could in the past. Nothing's worked. And this stuff, all I got to do is hit it with the foamer. The truck comes out immaculate. Alright, so this is the soap we got right here. Amazon, if you can find it, $35. But this stuff here I got at Fleet Pride. All the Fleet Prides sell this. It is, it's more on the base side of the pH aspect here. It's got real good hang time, so it suspends a lot of the dirt. I would suggest following up with wax. We're going to use this foam cannon today. I'm going to show you how dirty the truck is and see how amazing this works. It's got the pressure washer going on today, but this is how filthy the truck is. I mean, it's pretty disgusting here. Don't touch my truck when there's dirt on it. I know better. But pretty disgusting. Wheels are disgusting. Truck is disgusting. Let's get to town on this thing, shall we? Clearly, this side here was the dirty side. I mean, it's just all the brake dust, mag chloride, you know, just disgusting filth. Looks like some of the soap got on this side. But just disgusting. Dish soap doesn't get this stuff off. I mean, look, you got even rust spots already. I just acid washed that not too long ago. See my finger? It's not even getting off the hard water deposits here. It's bullshit. It does a little bit on that. But grease and oil, absolutely disgusting. Grease and oil. Now keep that in mind. Back rim, same thing. Just disgusting. Look at the frame. Now look at the frame on this side. I mean, it's beautiful. Not really, but you know, whatever. Clean finger. There is no dirt. That is a perfect reflection. All I did was foam cannon, rinse. Shoot, man, this thing here was covered in oil. Nada. Hold on, I'm gonna show you these other stairs over. So these damn stairs, you know, I got a little bit of an oil leak here. Freaking oil, right? All that oil. Look how fantastic that is. Now, yeah, I need a little framework there. I got my little barbecue there. But all in all, that's not too bad for a quick rinse job. Got all the grease off. So there's no grease on here, except that was on my finger, damn it. We got some, a little bit of spotting up here, but I think that's from the stupid chains. But other than that, look down here, man. Not too bad. I could probably do with one more rinse. But, you know, I'm pretty sure it's all from that stupid headache rack. Look at this one. It's not looking too bad. Looks like I'm gonna have to do some rouge, but all the exhaust came off the side here. Even the exhaust came out pretty good. Windows spot free. Can't see any spots. Just a little bit of residual there, but does a good job at keeping the hard water spots away. I mean, just look down the side of this. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Pretty awesome. So, alright, get you a little foam cannon here. I got that for 15 bucks off Amazon. Works good. I've had it for a couple years. A little chilly out here. Simonized big rig. Stuff you can get at Home Depot for... Personally, I like the Landa brand stuff, but this is going to be my follow-up. It's equivalent to Rain-X. It works really well with the foamer, so I'm going to follow up with this. And I'm going to hand wax and wash that thing. Summertime hits there, but too damn windy today. So, well, I hope you enjoyed the video today. It's cold as nuts outside, so I think I'm going to go finish up the left side of the truck, let my hands freeze off, and then I guess I'll get back down the road again. But hope you enjoyed it, and I'm going to say this is the best damn soap I ever used. Yeah, hands down. If you got nicer trucks, you know, where the paint, you don't need to buff it and stuff like that. I already used it on a couple Peterbilts, and my God, did it make them shine. And we did one half of it where we scrubbed it, you know, touched it. The wash mitts, the microfiber wash mitts, and oh God, my face is numb. Microfiber wash mitts, and we used the same soap. And then we did the other side, just rinsing, and it wasn't until about 2 or 3 days later when dust started collecting on it, is the only time that it actually showed up that you could see where you washed it and where you actually didn't use a mitt. But you really had to look hard to see it. You had to actually go out of your way to try to find the line where it got washed, got rinsed. So 10 out of 10, I give this soap a thumbs up.